Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn on how to hide the ribbon automatically to maximize workspace in the latest version of Microsoft Word. First, open Microsoft Word and head to the top right corner of the interface menu row, right below the window Minimize and Maximize buttons. Locate the small, downward-pointing arrow icon sitting at the far right edge of the ribbon toolbar layout and click it once. A compact formatting drop-down configuration menu will slide down instantly onto your screen display. Select the option explicitly labeled Fullscreen mode to instantly roll the entire menu system upward, or Show Tabs Only to keep showing the tabs. Alternatively, you can toggle this view instantly by pressing the keyboard shortcut keys Ctrl plus F1 simultaneously to collapse or expand the toolbar layout in one split second. To temporarily bring your tools back when the ribbon is hidden, simply click once any tab at the top. And that's it. Your full screen workspace layout configuration is now completely optimized and active. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.